Welcome to the video. If you're looking to improve your audio on things like your YouTube videos or video calls at a budget tech price, then this is hopefully the video for you. We're going to be looking at this, the Tonor TC30 microphone. Okay, so we'll get started with unboxing of the device. You can see it came straight from Amazon, no outer box, just in this one, hence the kind of messier label mark on the front of it. As always, there are timestamps and chapters in the video, so I'm going to give you this unboxing and audio comparison compared to recording with my Logitech headset that I've been using previously. I'm going to show you how to configure the microphone level in Windows, and I'm going to show you the best way to buy this at a bit of a bargain price at the moment. Okay, so going through the unboxing, as usual, there's a bit of paperwork, the manual, etc. I don't think you're going to need to particularly look at this. And then we get into the mic, the stand, and the pop filter in there as well. So it's already connected to the stand. As you can see, the stand is pretty sturdy. The mic has a fairly nice feel to it. It's, fairly plasticky, as you could imagine, but there's a good weight to the stand. There's a good sort of feel of strength to the microphone setup. So it does still feel like a fairly sort of quality device for the price. The stand opens up fairly easily. You can just put it to its, if you like, it's kind of max setting, and when you're on a flat setting rather than how I'm showing you here, it's very sturdy. The pop filter, you're just going to want to push that into place once. Again, at the kind of price you're buying this at the moment, it's nice to have the pop filter included. And then you've got the USB cable in the box as well. I was a bit surprised to see this was USB-C, but again, nice to have that on a more budget-friendly device. That just pops into the very base of the microphone, and then of course just into your PC. Just checking the rest of the box, but there's nothing else left in there. I think we're done with that. And then you've got the ability to adjust, to point the mic right as you want it, and then tighten that up. As I say, you just want to feed the pop filter through once, click that into position. And then, yeah, fairly long USB cable with it as well, so you've not got to worry about anything there. As I say, it's that USB-C just into the rear of the mic. And then just ahead of this, a few images of the device that I'm going to show you just before get into giving you a comparison from one of my older videos of a photo scanner that I recorded using my Logitech headset, just so you can see how that sounds compared to this video, which of course is all recorded on the Tonor. Hey guys, welcome to the video. So I'm going to take you through all aspects of using the Plustech photo scanner ePhoto Z300. In this one, there's timestamps in the video description. They should also show in the navigation bar of the video. We're going to cover an unboxing, a device overview. I'm going to show you the scanner in action using the software alongside that. And as a bonus, I'm going to show you how to add your photos into a Google Photos album. So stick around to the end of the video for that. Okay, so once you've plugged your mic into your PC, you're going to want to make sure your recording level is set correctly. If you're either hearing it's too low or it's too loud and distorted, this could be the reason. So come into your control panel. Quickest way is probably just to type sound in, and then you're going to want to manage audio devices. Bring this over to the middle for you, and then click onto the recording tab. You'll see all your microphones. Just find the TC30. I've got it at the bottom here. Click on it once and then go into properties, and then you can switch to the levels tab. You see I set mine around 80. Try setting yours at different levels. Have a go recording, see what works best for you. But that's where you're going to need to configure that setting. So when it comes to buying the TC30, I've put my affiliate link to Amazon down in the video description below. I think right now in the UK, it's a brilliant time to buy. It's, it is a bargain tech price in my view. That's why I'm posting this video right now. That's why I purchased it myself. If you look at the Camels price comparison site, so you can see, it confirms it is the lowest price it's ever been on Amazon at the moment. So I think a great buying opportunity there for some bargain tech. I just had a comparison looking at Europe. I picked Amazon.de. Works out a little bit more at the moment, but I'd say, take a look at the competition, weigh it up against other options if you're thinking about going for a mic to improve your, your video calls, your YouTube videos, etc. And looking at Amazon.com for the US. So this works out at a similar price to the price in the UK. So again, looks like a pretty strong option. Okay, so that wraps up this video looking at the TC30. I hope it's been really useful. As always, I really appreciate it if you might give the video a like if it's been useful. Also, if you consider subscribing and taking a look at the rest of the channel for more bargain tech and budget tech. Okay, cheers guys.